So you want to make as much as $20 per hour without having any skills. Maybe you want to support your family, your needs, or maybe you want to buy some other things. Maybe you're looking for a side hustle. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can do this. And not just how you can do this, but some pro tips on how you can improve your income, okay? And boost your income and get more jobs, okay? So in this video, we're going to talk about a website that is called TranscribeMe. And TranscribeMe is a website that gives you the ability to work from home as a transcriptionist, okay? So the company has a huge customer base that includes lawyers, insurance companies, churches, conferences, attendees, and researchers who regularly need their audio file transcribed, okay? And what you're seeing here, guys, is the income proof. So this is the income proof of $29 through PayPal. So this is a legit company, and I'm going to show you why this is a good company for you, because if you're a newbie, then maybe you should start with this one, okay? So let me show you. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. So this is how the website looks like. This is a great website. Just take a look at the homepage. It is amazing, guys, okay? But what you're seeing here is the homepage of the customer and not the transcriptionist. If you want to be a transcriptionist, you will have to click on join as transcriptionist, okay? So let's take a look at here. So those are the industries: medical, consulting, technology, market research. The services are speech recognition, translation, and transcription. And I would suggest to go with the transcription one because of the high payments, okay? The payment rate is higher than the other one. And if you're willing to put the time just to make money, then put it in the best one, okay? Which is transcription. You're just exchanging your time for money, so exchange your time in a good way, okay? So this is how the website looks like. It's great. Technology, market research, we already seen that. So those are the services, we already seen that. Yes, and this is important, guys. What you're seeing here is the partners of TranscribeMe. And take a look at those partners: Oracle, Facebook, Harvard University. Oh my god, those are good partners. Those are big companies and world-known companies, okay? Pandora, Cisco, this is actually amazing companies, which means this is a legit company. This is a legit website, and you will make money from this website. So what you have to do, guys, is to join as transcriptionist, and once you click here, they will direct you to this web page, okay? Let me show you what I'm talking about. They will direct you to this web page, okay? What you're seeing here, guys, if you want to join as a transcriptionist, what you should know is that the payment is more than anyone else, okay? So you're expecting to make around $15 to $22 per hour, okay? And the monthly earnings, the top monthly earnings is $2,200. Just think about it, guys. Think about $2,200 each month. Is that nothing for you? Is it life-changing for you? Well, that's up to you, guys. But the average monthly earning are $250. That depends on the amount of time that you work every day. Maybe you're just working 6 hours a week. If you're just working 6 hours a week, you can expect to make $250 or even more, okay? Another good thing, another positive thing is the growth and the learning opportunities, which means that in this website and TranscribeMe, you're not just going to get there as a newbie and dive in yourself. They will give you some information, okay? They will give you training if you want to improve, okay? So the reason I insist that this website is good for you as a newbie, and this is an awesome opportunity and a company for you, is that they offer free training. So the company has put in the time and effort to ensure that you understand what is expected of you in terms of how they want formatting done, how to access your payments, and also how to move around their work hub, okay? Another positive thing is no experience or upfront investment, which means You don't have to invest any time if you want to join this company, if you want to join this opportunity right now. Okay, it's completely free, it's completely legit, and you don't need anything, no experience, no upfront investment. And the fourth positive thing about this website is freedom and flexibility, which means you can work whenever you want and wherever you want, and you can do whatever you want, which means, yeah, another positive thing that I didn't mention before is that the audio files that you will transcribe are just 1 minute, 2 minute, or 4 minute length. Okay, that means you can work like 15 minutes a day. Okay, you can work as much as you want, and this is one of the best thing about this website, guys. Okay, so this is great. I would suggest to go right now and sign into this website and start making money. So what you have to know, guys, is there is an exam. Okay, when you go through the sign up process, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. Okay, I'm going to show you how the sign up process looks like. Once you click on join as transcriptionist, or once you click on get started, that you will get directed to this web page. So to start working as transcriptionist and transcribe me, you'll need to first register. Simply type transcribeme.com or on Google Chrome, just type in transcribe me, and you will get the link to the website. Okay, once you do this, you will have to fill in all the informations here, all the personal details, including your PayPal account, which is very, very important because you will get paid through PayPal. And click on get started here. Okay, or create profile. Once you do that, you will get directed to another page that several exams and language tests are in, and this might prove to be a little bit confusing, but don't get confused, guys. Okay, but don't worry. Okay, just don't worry. All you have to do is to click on the link that is called English Transcriber Training and Exam. Okay, so make sure you download this style guide and read it carefully, because this is important as it contains the company's basic guidelines for transcribing, such as whether or not you should name the speakers, how to deal with hard to hear words, and so on. So this is very, very important to so you should bear in mind. Okay, you should bear this in mind. And another thing about the exam, guys, is after you are through with the training, you will then do the exam. You will need to do this exam in one sitting. Okay, I have discovered that a lot of people find the test quite challenging, but after several attempts, people pass it. Okay, most of the people pass it. So I can assure you that you can get accepted in this website and start making money with them. So let me give you some other information about this website. So Transcribe Me usually has very short audio files, about a minute long, okay, 2 minute long, 4 minute long, and the payment is 33 cents per audio minute. So the short audio files are encouraging people like you, if you're a newbie, to join the website. Okay, because let's just be serious. Okay, let's just be serious and let's get to the real thing. If you're a newbie, you will find that transcribing 13 minutes longer, or 13 minutes audio is a bit overwhelming. So they have jobs about 90% of the time, though weekends and holidays can be a bit slow. But however, when there is a lot of work, they send an email to a lot of freelance transcribers of the same, and that's when you need to log in and work as much as you can. So they don't always have clear audio files accurately. You might as well not do it, so just click cancel and wait for another file. You won't be punished for doing this. If you can't transcribe a file, just cancel it and wait for the next one. All the same, if you do come across an audio file that doesn't have too much background noise, you can use the services of DFX Sound Enhancer or Audio Enhancer. So this is how it looks like. Just go to Google and type in FX Sound and just go with this one, DFX Free. You don't have to pay for DFX Gold or FX Sound Premium. However, I have the FX Sound Premium. Let me show you how it looks like. Yeah, Here is the FX Sound Premium. This is how it looks like. So this is a great service if you want to improve the quality and the volume, okay? Sometimes you can't hear the audio file. If you want to increase the volume and the maximum, even with the maximum volume, you cannot hear, you can use the services of FX Sound. And if the audio file doesn't include a lot of background noise, then you can use the services of DFX Free and start making money with this website, okay? So TranscribeSme turnaround times, deadlines are pretty flexible. If you are transcribing a 1 minute audio, you'll be required to finish it in 60 minutes. And if you are transcribing like a 2 minute audio, you will be required to finish it in 120 minutes, which means 2 hours. So that means 60 times the length of the audio file you're transcribing. So another benefit of working for TranscribeSme is that you can compare your work with the QA's work, that is the reviewer, okay? So there are the people, so these are the people, guys, who review all the transcripts before the documents are submitted to the client. So this goes a long way in helping you to become more and more accurate. So additionally, you can take other accent exams, because in this video, in the beginning of this video, I said that I will show you how you can boost your income with this website. Once you go here, okay, once you go here, you can choose other accent. Like if you speak in English, you can choose the British accent, the Irish accent, the Scottish accent. If you understanding those accents, you can add them, okay, and start getting more jobs. And this is how you can boost your income, because you will get more jobs. So furthermore, the company also offers career advancement opportunities, such as joining the special teams or becoming one of their reviewers, the QAs, okay? You will need to take the QA exam for this if you want to be one of the QAs. And once you do that, that means the payment rate will get higher and higher, and you will get more jobs, okay? And your time will worth even more. Your time will worth even more with this company. So this is all for this video, guys. I wish that I gave you some good information about this website and you found this helpful. If you do, just make sure to press the like button, okay? And if you didn't subscribe yet, just make sure to do it, because I'm doing videos about this, about how to make money online. Skip that 9-to-5 job, do whatever you want, whenever you want. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, just make sure to put it in the comment section, and I'm just gonna make sure to answer your question. So thank you so much for watching this video, and let's see you in the next one. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.